We even changed the name from police force to police service, because mtumishi wa kila mtu. Kwa hivyo hii tabia ya kila wakati tear gas, karibu waumize Raila this time. Mimi pale Mathare karibu nimalizwe pale Mathare. Ama gari mawili, moja inatoka pande hii. Pastors, you need to pray. And I want to call on the church. Please stand in the gap. We used to talk of the remnant. Now every person who prays, and you have the spirit of the living God in you, surely the Holy Spirit will tell you this is wrong. Stand up even if you were bribed yesterday. Stand up for the truth. Redeem the image of the church. Redeem the image of the church. I say those words with concern, and I know we are all in the same boat. Kwa hivyo wa Kenya, mjue kwamba you are right to picket under Article 37, peaceful demonstration, unarmed like we did in Machakos. And the police were there escorting us. In fact, the OCS huko, I wish I knew his name, alitoka akanisalute. Anambia sisi hatuna uwezo, hatuna ubaya, piteni, fanyeni peaceful demonstration. I don't think Kenyans are after destroying anybody's property. And in a situation like we are in Gaucho, the speaker of the bunge la wananchi, ambieni watu wetu, mtu asiwe, kama if you believe in the change you are looking for, don't believe in violence. Gaucho mwenyewe ameumia. You can't achieve anything.